Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to cover a tool named as SQLmap, which is used to perform SQL injection attack against any website. So we can detect the SQL injection attack on a website using this tool. So in this video, I'm going to cover the tool. So watch the video till the end. So let's start the video. So to view all the command available in the SQLmap, run command man then SQLmap. Now hit enter. As you can see, there are a lot of commands available here. We can read all of them, but for now I'm going to quit. So we're going to perform all this attack on a website named as vulnerabilities.com. So this is the URL on which we're going to perform the attack. I'll copy it and go back to the terminal. Now let's start the attack. So to start the attack, run command SQLmap -u, then the website URL --dbs to check the database available on the website. Now hit enter. So as you can see, it successfully completed the scanning and it detects that there are two databases available here. One is acquired and another is information schema. The information schema database is the by default database in MySQL. So we're going to check all the tables available in the database acquired. So for that, run command. So the command will be almost the same, but we're going to use -d argument as we find the database name, and after that we're going to use --tables so that we can find all the tables available in the database. Now hit enter. So as you can see, it find all the tables available in the database acquired. Now we're going to find all the columns and their name in the database, in the tables. So the users table seems to be interesting. So I'm going to find out all the columns available inside users table. So let's start it. I'll copy its name, clear the terminal. After that, again that same command, but a little bit change, like we will use the capital T. After that, paste the table name, then --, columns. Now hit enter. Successfully get all the columns name available in the users table. So these are the columns available inside the table users. So now let's retrieve the data from the columns. Like first of all I want to retrieve the data uname from the table users. So let's see how you can do that. I'll clear the terminal, back to the command. So the command will be same, but we'll use capital C to specify the column. In my case, I'm going to use uname column. After that, --, dump. Now hit enter. So as you can see, so all the username available in the database. The only problem is that we can't retrieve more than one column from the database at a time. So we successfully retrieved the data from uname column. Now let's retrieve the data of password. So in place of uname, I'll replace it with password and hit enter. Now it will retrieve the data from the column password. And as you can see, it successfully retrieved the data, which is only one test. Now let's try to log in the website. We'll go on login. As I will sign up. And we get the username test and password test, and using that credential we can successfully log in to the website. So that's it for this video. So it is a very short video in which I explain the basic of SQLmap and how you can use that. But if you want to learn more, then let me know in the comment section. And if you want to perform the SQL injection attack manually, then I already made video on it. Go and check out the video. And in that video, I also explained about blind SQL injection. So make sure that you check out that.